How's it looking out there, Noah?
Well, other than the hot and humid conditions, at least we have a bit of a breeze out there that we're enjoying, and hey, I think we'll take it there. You can kind of see Rogers, it's 83 degrees. Dew points on the higher side, it's in the 70s, but the breeze south-southwest at 17, gusting as high as 26. So I think the breeze always helps anytime it's kind of warm, sticky. Those humid, hot conditions continue to the river valley here, where we're starting to see those gusts about 20, 25 miles an hour, with a kind of a soupy tropical dew point of 72 that makes the heat index in Fort Smith 93 right now. Kind of a big picture setup in terms of satellite and radar. Lots of storms off into northern Missouri and up into Iowa. That's where the greatest severe potential is going to be for your Wednesday. You notice this cold front there. This is going to be our focus for some storms tomorrow night. So it's going to kind of get caught up in this vicinity today, and it's eventually going to swing through a little over 24 hours from now. Now tonight, not expecting any storms or rain, but we are expecting very warm, mild temperatures. Take a look at these overnight lows. I wish these were our high temperatures tomorrow, but these are our lows tonight. And part of the reason why we'll have that southerly breeze continuing, not just this afternoon, but also overnight tonight. That's going to keep things on the warmer side. And I think we'll probably get to near 90 in northwest Arkansas, 94 across the river valley. It's hot, humid. It's also still breezy, kind of similar to today. And then we'll start to see those storms later in the day tomorrow. I really think after dinner time. And of course, we'll have that heat next to contend with there for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Heat next near 105 in the river valley. We'll see if the heat advisory gets issued again along Interstate 40, northwest Arkansas. It's still hot and humid, maybe not heat advisory criteria necessarily. So just make sure we're drinking lots of water out there tomorrow. Here's our severe zone though for tomorrow night. So today we don't have to worry about it, but this is tomorrow night, mainly after dinner time. So we have it between about 7 p.m. and 3 a.m. Main hazards are wind and hail. The tornado potential looks very low with this system. We're going to be expecting a linear line of storms pushing in from the northwest, and it's expected to weaken slowly. That's why parts of the river valley are in that level 1 out of 5 compared to parts of northwest Arkansas where there's that level 2 out of 5 severe risk. And this is kind of what I'm talking about for tomorrow afternoon. We're not seeing any of those rainy, stormy conditions. And even by 6 p.m., you'll notice that line of storms trying to get their act together just to our northwest. It starts to work its way in by 8, 9 p.m. for northwest Arkansas first. We're going to be watching some severe potential with that. And then it slowly starts to weaken a little bit as it gets closer to that Interstate 40 corridor. Still going to be dealing with some heavy downpours here or there by the early morning hours of Friday. I think we still could see a few showers linger there by Friday morning as the time we're heading out the door there for Friday. And those rain chances, they're going to continue these next several days. I think during the actual daytime on Friday, they look relatively dry. And these are actually during the daytime rain chances. So you'll notice that Thursday, Friday, relatively lower. Those rain chances peak though at night. Of course, Saturday and Sunday, though, we're starting to see a bit more of a better signal of some more rain and storms, especially even into Sunday there with some of those rain chances tapering off. But looks like we'll get some more impressive rainfall totals over the next several days. I think as much as 2 to 3 inches very possible, not just for that Thursday night storms, but also through the weekend as well. And that's what we're going to be seeing here over the next 5 to 6 days. And it's going to be still kind of hot and humid the next couple of days, but notice the temperatures take a little bit of a dip down there. For Friday, it's mostly dry there. And again, those Saturday, Sunday storm chances, better chances during the daytime as opposed to night. And look at Monday. We have highs in the upper 70s for northwest Arkansas, so that's going to be kind of crazy to feel in June. A little bit lower humidity as well. And then if we jump to the river valley here, it's hot and humid here these next couple of days there. You're going to feel it out there. And then Thursday, it says storms overnight. That's a text. You might be confused, like, why is there no rain chance? The rain chance comes at night. It's much higher into those overnight hours. We'll continue that for Friday morning, and then this weekend, unfortunately, we're going to be dodging some more showers and storms for any of those weekend plans, but at least next week, maybe not looking as hot. We'll start to see those temperatures into the 80s.
All that heat just makes you want to put out a fire.
Oh, yes.
Am I right?
It's the first time in the studio.
Am I right? Noah is just a viral sensation if you haven't heard about it. You must be living under a rock because Noah is just everywhere and anywhere these days on social media, on other TV stations for his reporting. And there was a fire in the studio.
It's been crazy, but at least we get to be back in the studio. Everyone was safe.
Yeah.
And
turned out to be the best situation.
Yes.
And now he's such a star. I'm so honored that he's here, being my meteorologist for the day.
It's been pretty crazy. It's been wild. For sure.